Developed by Ultra-Electronics, the magnetoinductive rock phone is a wireless two-way voice and data communication system that enables secure, reliable, and effective connectivity in challenging operating environments where radio communication is not possible.
So what's the next step?
Rock phones have the ability to punch through natural and man-made barriers to provide effective tactical communication in underground environments and in RF-denied areas. Users can communicate remotely when the intervening media is not penetrable by radio waves, such as into caves, tunnels, and large building structures. Magnetoinductive communication technology uses pure magnetic fields rather than radio's electromagnetic fields to communicate wirelessly. Due to the low frequencies employed and the lack of propagating electromagnetic waves, the MI communication signal can effectively penetrate rock, earth, vegetation, water, and most urban structures, and does not require a line-of-sight position to establish links. Unlike radio, the MI communication signal is not readily jammed and has an inherently low probability of detection and intercept.
Over here, Jeff, this location looks good to set up the rock phone. Why don't you set up here, and then I'm going to hit underground and I'll set up there, and when I'm ready I'll signal you.
Okay, sounds good.
The rock phone is a man-portable transceiver consisting of two distinct parts, an electronics module and a transmit antenna. The system can be easily set up and deployed in less than 1 minute. Simply deploy the loop antenna in a circular configuration and connect to the antenna connector on the control panel. The transceiver's electronics and power supply are housed in a rugged all-weather enclosure. Depending on the operating mode and choice of antenna, rock phone communications can be extended out to several hundreds of meters, completely non-line of sight. The rock phone's man-machine interface is located on the top control panel. All controls, connections, and displays required for operation and use are found here. These include a recharge connector, external power connector, power switch, status indicators, alert function, volume control, repeat function, radio relay connector, serial data interface, antenna connector, and a PTT microphone. With the antenna deployed, operation is simple. Turn on the power, key the push-to-talk button on the handset, and speak into the microphone.
Rock phone Alpha, this is rock phone Bravo.
Rock phone Bravo, this is rock phone Alpha.
Standing by for your command.
The rock phone automatically receives incoming signals without user intervention. Rock phones will establish a two-way communication link with any other rock phone within range.
Noise looks good. Standing by for your command.
Consequently, rock phones are highly suitable for communicating in underground locations and confined spaces where radio communication is not possible. The rock phone has a multi-pin connector for attaching to any voice radio using a customized interface cable.
Radio check, over.
Set up here underground.
I've got the radio interface set up.
Magnetoinductive rock phones can be used for standard data and text communications using the common RS-232 protocol to connect client devices. To set up data transfers, simply connect a device, such as a PC or a PDA, to the serial port located on the control panel, and open an appropriate transfer program, such as Hyperterminal. The rock phone has a variety of important features and functions that are integral to its use. Pressing and holding the two alert buttons will transmit a long-range alert signal to be received by all rock phones in range. The repeat function will repeat the last audio transmission received. The volume control is implemented as two intuitive buttons. The LED display shows current battery level. When transmitting or receiving, the operational mode is indicated by the TX and RX mode lights, and the quality of the signal is illustrated by the LED display. Ambient noise can be measured to assist in selecting the best location to deploy the rock phone. The rock phone includes a separate charging port to recharge the internal batteries, as well as a port for an external power supply. The charging circuitry, the external power supply, and the battery supply are all protected by independent circuit breakers. The magnetoinductive rock phone is a man-portable, easy-to-use, through-earth communication system built on technical innovation, providing an advanced communication capability in mission-critical scenarios. The magneto-inductive rock phone, the latest in the evolution of magnetic communications developed by ultra-electronics, changing the way people communicate through innovation and performance.